Hello, this is Esther.
Alfred here.
Of Yumi and Sicily. We're here to give you a little bit of an update during this so-called lockdown of what's going on. The news is changing here minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day. So what we really want to talk to you about today is what we're observing during this period and how we're passing our days. People keep asking me, what are you doing all day? Are you keeping sane? Keeping busy. I'm trying to keep busy, and I am keeping sane, sort of, right?
No. Fortunately, we have our production studio upstairs. So we work out of the house, essentially, in our office upstairs anyways. But there are certain things that we have to do, and if things break down in America, you may want to think about just a little bit, okay?
So one of the big things, and if you've watched our videos, if you've subscribed to our YouTube channel, you've seen all of our videos about Sicily. One of the things that I love doing every day is going out to the market, getting fresh produce, and I'll come back with one head of lettuce, 2 lemons, day by day. But what Alfred really got me thinking that if there is a worst case scenario and there's something with the food supply, which we don't know, about that you're stocked up for about 3 weeks by frozen things, canned things, pasta, several pounds of pasta, of rice, of stuff that will keep, because as Alfred likes to say, it's money in the bank. So why not, just as a precaution,
canned foods, canned tuna, beans, like chickpea type beans that you can make into stuff, and peanut butter. Protein, that's one thing. Carbohydrates is going to be another. I'll tell you what you don't need 748 things about. It's toilet paper. We're seeing video from America, and we're just scratching our head saying, what are they going to do, take X-Lax or something? I haven't a clue why you don't need that much toilet paper.
But if you can, stuff your freezer with frozen chicken, frozen fish, sausage, all that stuff, frozen vegetables.
Well, here right now, today is Friday, so the news from Sicily, the authorities were in Sicily, 115 people have the virus, but from that group, most of them are self-quarantined for 14 days, and maybe 20 or so are actually in the hospital. So it's not like all over the place, but they are clamping down like
big time.
You can't believe.
Every day there's police going out and finding people left, right, and center. If you break the rule of going out more than one person, only one person is allowed out. If you're congregating groups, there's a cafe that remained open after it was supposed to be closed, and they got fined. Police are clamping down.
Yep. You have to also go when you go out in your community. It's okay, but you still need your document. They're going to say where you're going. There are 3 reasons to go. One of them is to go to the hospital or to the pharmacy or to buy food or to go to work. But a lot of places, obviously, you're not going to work here. Like right over here in our little complex, everybody's home. It's like a Sunday as far as I can see.
And people keep asking me, are you exercising? How are you keeping busy? Yes, I'm exercising. I have a daily routine that I have here. There's a few women on YouTube that I follow that you can do at-home exercise. There's a lot of creative things that you can do. And one of the big things for me is that a project I've been putting off year after year, I'm now starting. So I'm so happy that I have that time. And it is a Sicilian with a cookbook with a few Hungarian recipes in there. So, I've talked to my friends. There is a lot of worry, but there is hope as well. There's fear, of course, because of the unknown, because of the daily unknown that's happening. But it's just something that you must conquer. And we're here in Sicily, the land of sun and sea, and people aren't allowed to go out there to the beach. The weather's starting to get warmer. People want to go out. The culture here is one of being together with friends, with family, going out in the evening and walking, and they can't. And it has been challenging to the psyche of the Sicilians here, but they're resilient.
I need to reiterate something I said in the last one we did, Esther. You have to wash your hands. It's crucially important that you wash your hands. I cannot say that enough. You have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, not 10 seconds. And I saw some infrared video of someone who had bacteria on his hands. The whole hand was black, spots. Okay? Then there's another hand put up, someone who had just washed their hands for 20 seconds. It was clean. Okay? Surprisingly, the third hand, and this is what shocked me, that hand sanitizer stuff, they put the picture up after using hand sanitizer, and 50% of the hand still had bacteria on it. So far and away, it's really important to wash your hand frequently.
Common sense. And, I think people in America
Yeah.
are starting to do it.
And
Now,
social distancing. Wait a minute. You have to stay
3
away
feet.
from people. 3 feet. Here, it's actually starting to work. We don't kiss anymore. I mean,
we do a little this, right?
I do the Vulcan thing. Peace be with you, and that's it. But you need to do it now. In the States, can I just say one more thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here's what I'm worried about. I'm worried about those areas in the States, because the cities are vast, okay? And that's the subset of people that are going to be most at risk if the word isn't out to them that they take care of things, because they can spread the disease just like anybody can. So I'm very concerned about the States right now.
I do want to point out that there is some good that is happening here. A lot of people have taken upon themselves to deliver food to the elderly. There's a lot of good that's coming out in these days, and I even saw some children making pictures and saying tutto bene, everything's okay. People here are hopeful, and they continue to go on with life as it was. But I want to say a big thank you to all our fans who have sent messages, who have sent prayers, who have written on our You, Me, and Sicily Facebook page that you guys are thinking of us, and we appreciate it. The other thing, and then if you have anything else to say, is that, see this hair? It's been 2 months. I guess it's going to be another month.
Yeah.
So let's see how long my hair is going to be after all of this.
My mother said,
Wait,
My
aren't you not going to shave?
I'm not shaving. Oh, I thought I said that before. Oh, yeah. I'm not shaving until this damn thing is over.
Oh, boy.
Period, okay? Either I'm going to look like Ernest Hemingway or out Santa Claus. I don't particularly
You're
care.
going to look handsome no matter what.
But let me tell you what my mom said to me, okay? What doesn't kill you will make you stronger. All right? So, yes, we're going through this. This is traumatic, for sure. But this, too, will pass. This is going to pass. In a few weeks, Sicily is going to be out of it, God willing. And once it goes through the States, in a few weeks there, it too will pass, God willing. So my message to you today is keep calm.
Keep calm. That's a good one. And so if you'd like to follow what's happening here in Sicily, we'll put some updates on You, Me, and Sicily. So make sure you go to the Facebook page, You, Me, and Sicily, and watch our videos on Sicily, youmeandsicily.com.
We have great videos.
We've got over 55 videos all on Sicily.
Yep.
So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on another edition of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao.
Peace.